This OurTown Realty property video is presented by Floyd Murray. Halcyon South Beauty with gorgeous ingroud salt water pool and 2-car garage. Very open floor plan with large family room and beautiful stone fireplace with gas logs. Beautiful foyer and separate dining room. Gorgeous wood flooring in most of home. Updated gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, work island with granite and grand chef's hood. All bedrooms are large. Master bedroom/bath have 3 closets and large tiled shower and double sinks with granite. Split bedrooms for privacy. The other 2 bedrooms share a bath in between them and guests can use the half bath in hallway. The pool and backyard are so beautiful and private. The pool is sparkling blue, the landscaping is awesome, and this home is move-in ready. Halcyon South is in East Montgomery and is so close to shop.